So this is a Mosin Nagant made in 1938.
About like the NBA is.
This is covered with cosmoline, of course. This was made in 1938. Oh, okay, matching serial number 1923. Nice. Oh, stock's in pretty good condition. Just got this from Buds Gunshop. I like it. Of course, I've never seen a gun that I didn't like. Sure thing. Got it from Buds Gunshop. It comes with a bayonet, covered with cosmoline, but looks like in perfect shape, great condition. Yep, 1923. Looks like matching serial number, which is nice. Nice.